Got him. All right, that's a nice carp, guys. Hey y'all, how we doing today? We're going to be doing some carp fishing. I just made this bait for my method feeder, which I'll show you later how I rigged that up like I've done in previous videos. But this is strawberry jello, breadcrumbs, and as you can see, corn all scattered throughout. This is some old carp from December. It's been sitting in my freezer for a while, even like back before Christmas. This is the first week of March, so I'm gonna let this thaw out on the bank, and if it gets thawed enough, I'll go ahead and throw 2 lines out, see if we can track the catfish. But we're mainly going for carp today. We're going to use carp for catfish bait, and I have my fillet knife and everything like that for today. So hopefully we get a lot of catfish bait for future catfish trips. And but we will see you down at the river. Off the beaten path a little bit. It's one of my favorite carp spots. We'll see what. Haven't been here in a long time. Well, it's good to be back. Hopefully there's some carp around. It's gotta be real easy getting down these rocks. There we go. Looks pretty good. Got a barge going by, so he's gonna shake up the water a little bit, but once it gets calmer again, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Oh. Oh yeah, this is nice. Normally, this is all water right here. So when I fish, when I spend time fishing, I gotta have waterproof boots. My feet are soaked the whole time and get cold pretty quick. Alright, I'm gonna get things set up here and check back in with you here in a minute. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bait up here. There's 2 geese out there that are just driving me nuts already. That barge just went by, so it's shaking up the water a little bit. That'll calm down probably next 5-10 minutes. But let's go ahead and bait up. This is a hair rig, and I put the bait here on the method feeder, okay, and it kind of goes back and forth there. I have 2 swivels on here just because I don't want this method feeder going too far away from the actual hook. So we'll go ahead and we'll bait up here. This is that bait I've used in the past, the strawberry jello mix, the corn, the sweet corn, and breadcrumbs. So you just smash that in there, pack it in as best you can. And this is freshly made, just made it. So it should work pretty good, I would think. Just gotta make sure it's packed in there really good. Okay, this is getting stuck in my net. Get that over there. Now, one thing I do before I cast out, before I cast out, water's still pretty cold. It's 70 degrees here right now, which is awesome, but the water's still pretty cold. I add a little bit of flavoring to it. Sorry for that. Okay. Some Rod Hutchinson extra flavoring Tutti Frutti. So I will just take my fake piece of corn here and dip it into the flavoring and pour some in there. Try to wake these carp up. I have been relaxing and chilling out literally over the course of the winter. So I'll go ahead and get the other line ready, which is right there. I'm gonna let this water calm down a little bit from those barges and then we'll cast out. All right, the water looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cast out. And this water is really muddy. These geese are gonna be hollering the whole time. You watch, they will be hollering the whole time. And I'm just gonna cast out. This one is straight out in the middle there. And what I'm gonna do, seeing that location where it fell, where it hit, I'm going to throw out some more bait and chum that area a little bit. So you just let that sit. You have some extra line out, which I have. Okay, you have some extra line out. Hopefully it doesn't move too much. But we'll see here in a minute. And I'll just put a rock on the back of the rod here. So if a carp goes, like it's already going in, yeah. I'll check on that in a minute. I swear this water earlier today was clear as can be. I mean, there's just glass on the top. But this actually might be too much current right now, because these carp like to come up in this slack water off the current. But we'll see what happens here. See if there's any around. Guys, I have a carp on, and I have a boater coming towards me over here. There he goes. Feels pretty good. I just want to work him over here. So doesn't get in my other line. See if we can get him in here. Yeah, I have a carp on right now. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm bringing him in. Feels pretty good. It's real shallow over there, so be careful. I'm just gonna let him do his thing and we'll get him with the net. Hope that guy back in there doesn't get stuck. I think it's awfully shallow back there. I wonder what we have. Is it a common carp or a... Oh, nice. He's not done yet. I'm gonna go and grab my net over here. This particular line here in the middle was out there the longest. It was probably about out there sitting for about an hour. I just wasn't sure because this water current was picking up. I was starting to wonder if there's any carp around at all. So as long as he doesn't get tangled in my other lines. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can get you in here. Oh, got him. All right, that's a nice carp, guys. I got this line tangled in my camera there. Sorry about that. All right, let's see what we got. This is a large carp. Yeah, right in the bottom lip right there. It came right out. Wow. This is a really nice carp for you guys. Right there. That's a big one. He's a big one. Wow. Yeah, he's muddy on this side, but there he is. There he is. Nice, healthy, common carp. Nothing on the other rods yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and move my bait to where this guy was bit. Nice carp. All right, let's get this guy back in the water. See if he gets by okay here. There he goes. Nice and easy. All right. Nice carp so far. Hopefully we get a few more. Oh yeah. Nice carp. It's probably the best carp I've ever caught down here at this creek mouth. Guys, this carp just nailed my bait. So he is on there, he took off. I started seeing some bubbles in front of me here, so I figured there was one swimming around, but got another one on. I feel like he's gonna go on a lot of runs. Feels good though. Feels real good. These lines have been in the water for about an hour, and the water's gotten a lot calmer and even more clear. I can see the bottom right here in front of me. We'll see if he gets in my other line to my right here. Just gonna wear him out a little bit. Such a nice day to be out here on the river, catching a few carp. So I haven't fished since December, and this is, like I said previously, this is the first week of March. March Madness for me as an athletic trainer, my primary job. But today, on a nice day off, catching some carp. Let's get a look at this guy. It might be a buffalo. Might be a buffalo carp this time. Fishing in this spot, I mean, it's 50-50 with common carp and buffalo carp. You know, being caught here, just don't know what you're gonna get. I'm just gonna work them in this right side here. And get him with the net. He's all wrapped up in that. Ooh, there he goes. Yep, he got on my other line. He got my other line. I knew he would. There he goes. See if I can get him out of it. No. Get you a little closer here, buddy. Let's get you a little closer. There we go. All right. As he flops around, I'm gonna see if I can get this untangled with the rod. Just go like this. And let's see. All right, one more time here. Underneath. There we go. All right, let me just fix this line quickly in case there's another carp around. Put that back down. I mean, I was looking down when he hit and almost took the rod in the water. So there's a little buffalo carp here. Let's see, yep, right in the bottom lip again. Oh, it's getting me all muddy. Man, I got mud in my mouth. Oh, try to go over here. Still got a lot of life in him. He got me all muddy. You guys are gonna like that. There. Got the hook out. Oh, let me get some of this. All right. Oh, he's gonna flop a little bit, but there he is. I can get a pretty good handle on him with his size. Awesome buffalo carp. Oh, there he goes. Man, you're gonna knock yourself out. All right, I'll get you on the front camera. I'll get you out of here. I guess if you hold them by the tail, they will not wiggle as much and flop around as much. But here is the buffalo carp. Seem okay. I know the sun is off to my right there, so it's a little hard to see. Let's get him back in the water. You guys, have another carp on here. This is the third one of the day. Go. Let's see if this is a common or another buffalo. Ooh, little jumper. Another buffalo. The buffalo are here. I was just about ready to cast back out with the other rod, and then this right rod went down. There he is. The water got really clear, so you can see him really well. Let's get him in here. And the net. There we go. All right, I'm gonna keep you out of the mud. We're on the rocks this time. Okay. Making your way back to the Oh, okay, fish. All right, take it easy. Take it easy. All right, I'll get you back soon, okay? Get that out of there. There we go. All right, second buffalo today. It's about the same size as the last one, so nice. All right, let's get 2 more lines back in the water here, see if we can catch anything bigger. Thanks, buddy. And there he goes. See him take off there. Nice. All right. Well, guys, the mosquitoes are out, and I'm gonna pack things up and get out of here. Got the nice sunset on the Ohio side there. Caught a bunch of carp today. Was happy about that. It was really nice to get out here and fish because it's been a few months. But if you can like and subscribe to my channel, however I catfish, I'd appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.